Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V40 SE and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and let's begin with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code you are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and another code, which is *#09#. And this one will open, let's say, general information, because you can check the software, the barcode, again both email numbers or the serial number. Let's go back and another code, which is *###426##. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view, tap on the status, and here you've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and another code, which is *##4636###. And there we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Just tap on this option, and here we've got the information like the phone number, data service, or voice service. You will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. And now let's run pin test, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Here, usage statistics, so basically the list of apps which with their usage time, you can sort them differently by usage time, last time used, or app name. And the Wi-Fi information, we've got three categories. So let's tap, for example, this one. We can refresh the stats, and here we've got information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping test right here. Let's go back and let me show you another code. Wait a second. And the code is *##225###. And here we can enter the version test, where we can check another technical information about our device. So again, the serial number, but also the attestation key, whether it is imported or not, the software version, etc. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *##558#. And here we've got the engineer menu, so basically we can go through the OQC test. Just tap on it, tap on have scanned, tap on it again, and here we've got some components of your device which you can check. So for example, you can check the email number. If the email numbers will be displayed correctly, your device will ask you whether everything worked fine. So you can mark it as normal or error if you found any problems, and your device will simply tick the option, so you can check whether those components are working fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.